Who doesn't love an AE86? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the police was also here. So one of our friends came out in this. The lady over there, she's smoking on a gas station and she just kicked us out.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Ooh. That didn't want to start. That's interesting. Remember the handbrake?
Yeah. But I'm not sure it works. Is it fixed?
It does, it does,
Okay.
it does. Not that awesomely, but enough to be legal.
Okay, I just need my...
What we're doing right now was
planned
never
it
planned.
yesterday.
Well, we planned doing rollies.
No, but bad things comes without planning, right?
Yeah, the best things often happen without planning. Yeah. He doesn't have turbo.
Neither does the Crusader.
Neither does the Crusader, that's true. What you don't do for Kyushafactory.
One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show.
So, more rollies.
Tell me what do you like? Tell me where do you want to see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me what do you like? Tell me what do you like? La 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 la. But I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about.
You see these pictures on the internet of friends, you know, being at garages, and you see these awesome cars parked in front. Well, this is one of those moments where we have a KE30, an RA40 Toyota, R34 Skyline and Supras, a Aristos, a Crusader, and there are a couple of Datsuns over there. So you know, it's one of those times that you will remember. It's one of, for us at least, one of those times you remember looking back at what you did and looking back and, you know, the fun you had. This is some of the moments you remember when all the boys are together. And these are all just our friends. It's, you know, people we've known for many years. It's kind of cool with the cars we have today, but we're old guys. So if you don't have them today, don't worry. You know, give it a couple of years. Let's go to the next location and get something to eat. We'll probably recognize some of the stuff out there because it's from Auto Show. So, see you in a bit. Welcome back. Sofa
Sofa
with stuff on top.
the trunk stuff from the Crusader.
Ah, that's the trunk. That's actually the content of the trunk of the Crusader. Yeah, we need to clean that up.
Here you are. Oh yeah. Yes.
Don't know how much you can see of all this, but it's about, I think it's about 8 o'clock in the evening. Let me check. Yeah, it's 8:15 in the evening, and we are going to an underground meet. It's just been sitting in there having some dinner with the boys. Everybody's getting ready. We're waiting for Chris and the banana, and it's about 10 degrees. It's not really cold. But everybody's running summer tires, and everybody, well, except that one, everybody's running Boost. So it's going to be interesting with summer tires, 10 degrees, and Boost. Chris is joining us with the banana. He's not going to make it to here. He's joining us on the freeway. So the next thing is going up to the underground meet in Glostrup, where we were in one of our previous videos. I'm kind of looking forward to that. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll do some rollies along the way. Let's see. We arrived at Striben, the underground meet. There's a lot of people out here, and it's really good atmosphere. It's just lots of nice people out here, and there is a coffee shop over there. I really need to get some coffee. Probably one of the last really warm evenings. Well, warm, it's about 10 degrees. Warm evenings in Scandinavia, so it's gonna be last days that we have these cars running. Anyways, let's give you a walk around a little bit later, see if something cool happens.
Now we're here. The Field Simmer, this happens every Friday and Saturday evening during the summer. I think this is probably some of the last ones. Yeah. It's getting too cold, and most people just put the summer car.
The fun cars away.
Cars away. So yeah, because in Denmark they sell the roads and salt and cars, not a good mix.
Nope. Neither is salt and carbon fiber, so we are doing the same.
Yeah. So we're just looking around, see if we can find some cool cars to talk about. So, there are many German cars because it's Denmark, and well, Danish people are happy.
And they're good leasing deals on VAGs. So
yeah.
That's. Did you see that? That's really cool. I love the tailgates. Sitting up in the tailgate.
Oh, I was thinking about the Hummer.
Oh, yeah, I was.
Okay.
It wasn't the old one. Yeah, this is cool too. It is the Hummer H3. I think it's is that bedliner?
I don't know. It sure does look like that.
No, I think it's foil. It's foil.
Yeah, it's matte black foil.
Oh, I want to look at that Cirex. Did you ever drive any of these?
No. It does have the mag bulge.
Yeah, the 160 horsepower one.
Yeah.
I knew a guy called who had one in quite good condition. Then I think he roller painted it black, and then someone bought it and just stripped the paint off and kind of tried to restore it. He was very impulsive. So it wasn't a very well thought through decision. I love underglow.
I need something with underglow.
Yeah, I want to have. Should we put a comment? Should
Yes.
we put an? That's just a yes.
Say yes.
Should we put an underglow on the Skyline and on the Supra and on the Cressida? I think we should.
The Crusader, maybe.
Yeah, it's maybe too old. That's true.
I think it's maybe too old.
It needs a much more aggressive body kit to carry on underglow. That's a good point. But the Supra and the Skyline needs underglow.
Yeah.
If you agree, comment. That's Martin's.
You know?
He was at the.
I will
Oh,
just
yeah.
go and say hi.
Yeah,
Is that
sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Gonna get run over. That's the cow we saw earlier. And there is a cow passing us. You're gonna see it on the front-facing GoPro. It's actually a cow. Well, it's not a cow. It seems like a camel pattern, but. That's really cool. I think it's supposed to be like a camel pattern, but to me it looks like a cow. Let's go on adventure. So one of our friends came out in this. This is like, I don't know, it's a cardboard box. And it's a really cool cardboard box because it has the engine in the rear, right?
Yes.
And if you go really, really fast backwards and brake, it lifts the front wheels. I tried to do that in a Subaru one of these. And because I'm too fat, I couldn't do it. But he can do it because he is smaller than I am. And it literally is. How wide is this?
139 and a half.
139 and a half. So that's like 4 feet. It's so awesome. It's so awesome, and it has original wheels, which we don't have on our cars. I love it. I love it. I need to have one at some point.
Workshop van.
Workshop van, yeah. We are leaving the meetup and just going for a drive, getting something, cold to drink and just hanging out. So tag along, guys and girls. This was an awesome evening. We just had the hugest laugh because the lady over there, she's smoking on a gas station and she just kicked us out.
Yeah.
So we're not supposed to be here anymore. And the police was also here and telling us that when there are too many cars here, we get kicked out. So we're getting kicked out. This has been a wonderful evening. So thank you for watching the video and have fun. Follow and subscribe for more and see you on another crazy video. See you guys and girls.